At in the works na rin ang pagsasama ng dalawang stars ng ABS-CBN at GMA7. Nag-story conference na nga ang pelikula ni Richard Gutierrez and Casey Concepcion na may working title na For the First Time. Mga kapamilya, nahuli ng camera ng Entertainment Live na nag-holding hands. Ang dalawa na holding hands. Tingnan na natin kung ano ang nangyari sa unang beses na pagpasok ni Richard sa compound ng ABS-CBN. Watch this. Ang pinakamalaking issue sa showbiz ngayong linggo, pagtatapat Casey Concepcion at Richard Gutierrez, nagkakamubutihan na nga ba? Tuloy na ang inaabangang tambalan nila sa pelikula at ngayon pa lamang ay pinag-uusapan na ang pagiging malapit nila sa isa't isa. Last Tuesday, dumating na magka-holding hands sina Casey Concepcion at Richard Gutierrez sa ABS-CBN para sa story conference ng gagawin nilang pelikula under Star Cinema. Parehong excited sina Casey at Richard dahil kukunan pa sa Grease ang movie.
We're very excited. We just heard everything about the story and our characters and nakarelate ka ba sa character mo?
Ikaw, nakarelate ka rin?
May mga parts. And we got to see some parts of Grease also because we'll be shooting 1/4 of the movie there. And we're very excited.
Masaya din si Richard dahil first time niya nakatapak sa bakura ng ABS-CBN.
I'm very privileged to be here today and I consider this an honor for me kasi not everyone is given this opportunity to be here in ABS-CBN. It's my first time to be in ABS kaya kagabi tinawagan ko siya, sabi ko medyo excited ako na makapunta doon.
Wala kang babaril sa akin.
It's really an honor for me kasi hindi lahat ng GMA artists nabibigyan ng opportunity to be here legally. So, I'm very happy and I'm still absorbing the experience now.
Malaking karangalan din daw para kina Casey at Richard na ang tambalan nila ang magtutuldok sa network wars.
I consider it a sign of unity for both networks and it's the first time that this has happened. Very, very happy to be part of it. And hindi mangyayari lahat na ito, syempre, kung Casey didn't stick by my side. So, thank you.
Thank you. Well, yun nga, parang pinagbigyan kami ng dalawang network.
Natuloy.
Hindi na rin maitago sa tinginan nila Casey at Richard ang paghanga nila sa isa't isa. At nang tanungin sila kung ano ang nagustuhan nila sa isa't isa.
I've said it a million times. No,
This is so surreal.
She is something special and she's a great person and she knows that. I told her that before.
Charlie's a very honest person. Hindi, ano siya, madali siyang pakisamahan. Sobrang, in the short time that we've known each other, really, because we met a long time ago pa, but it was always on and off. So now it's like, I'm looking forward to working with you and to getting to know you even more.
Ano bang status talaga ng relationship mo?
Ay! Wow, ako eh!
We're still in that process of, knowing each other. And I think this movie will be a great step for us to, know each other more. We'll be spending time in Greece, so that's exciting. I'm very excited. I'm looking forward to that. We're taking it, step by step, and we're not rushing into things, right?
Hindi naman itinanggi ng kapatid ni Richard na si Rufa Gutierrez na may kakaibang closest talaga ang dalawa.
Alam ko nag-usap sila ni Casey ng 1 hour sa phone kagabi. But hindi ko alam anong pinag-usapan nila. Mas excited ako kasi I've already seen their chemistry off-screen. So, ngayon naman, makikita yung chemistry nila on-screen. I told Casey na with or without him, kahit na magkatuluyan kayo or hindi, I'll always be your ate. And I love her as a person.
Next week na magsisimula ang shooting ng pelikula sa direksyon ni Direk Joyce Bernal. At dahil love story ang pelikula, ngayon pa lang inaabangan na kung magkakaroon ng kissing scene ang dalawa.
Papayag si Casey.
Hindi mo namin alam. Panoorin niyo na lang. Surprise! So, we're excited to give it to you.
Yeah.
So, and pinakinggan mismo yung mga tao kasi
It's for them. This movie's for them. For all the people who requested for it.
Thank you also.